Day 3! Alis na kami ng hotel. Naghayahay kami. Ini-enjoy namin yung hotel room namin. Dito sa Banff. Please do not disturb. Day 3 in Banff. So, what are we exploring today, Dad?
Alanan.
No. Ano sabi mo?
Anong pangalan ng pupuntahan kasi natin?
Cascade of Time.
Lalakarin lang namin.
Oo. And then Bow Falls, Viewpoint, then Banff Springs. Lahat lalakarin namin from our hotel. So mga 30 minutes all the way through. And then papalik ganun din. Tapos sa hapon, yung gondola at saka
Magbabas tayo mamaya.
bus tayo. Lake Minnewanka. It's okay. Thank you. Ayun. Parang maze yung hotel namin. Pakita mo namin. Ang daming paikot-ikot. Day 3 in Banff. Oh my God, guys, look at this view. Hindi ka talaga magsasawa sa view na to. Lalakad kami hanggang doon sa Cascade of Time Garden. Lalakarin namin ni James. And this is our hotel for 2 nights. Silent pala yung P dyan.
Sarbigan.
Ptarmigan. Ibang hotel na rin yung katabi. That's Moose Hotel. Ito yung Ptarmigan Inn. Ang sarap maglakad kasi malamig. Ayun. Pakita namin mamaya yung garden, Bow Falls Point. Pupunta na kami sa town center. Mga ano lang siya. 10 hakbang galing sa hotel namin. Ito yung view namin, oh. Sa harap. My God. Pastries. I want na. Habang naglalakad.
Hey,
Ay, sarado ka?
10 a.m.
No, it's open.
Gusto mo nang bumili?
Yes. I want! Guys, sa Beaver Tails kami.
Isa lang, no? Pwede na. Malaki kasi yan, eh. Wait.
Oh, wait! Ring, may daming ring. Gabi ang sarap. Ang sarap ng classic.
Cinnamon yata yan, at saka sugar. Yung isa, pistachio.
Yung isa,
Pistachio.
tapos nakakatuwa kasi mga Pilipino nagtatrabaho sa loob. Ito pistachio.
Lapit na. Ayos.
Lakad pa more. Lahat. Parang na-overwhelm ka sa dami ng gusto mong picturean. What is this? Grabe, ang ganda. Nandito pa lang kami sa town ng Banff. Ayan o, pababa. Saan kaya papunta? Dadaan pababa. Ayun dado. May ano,
Tulay.
tulay.
Thank you.
Oh, nice. Ito yung Banff National Park admin office. Ito ang walk papunta sa Cascade of Time Garden. Pagod ka na?
Di ba? Okay pa.
Sarap maglakad kasi 16, 18 yung weather. And hindi mainit. So it's good for the soul. Char. Ganda lang.
Photo shoot.
Yung mga nagpa-photoshoot na.
Sige. Wow, may arc. Sige. Dito muna kami, guys. Dito muna kami.
Pwede mag-ano dito. Magkwentuhan.
Ay.
Ganda. Hi! Nasa Cascade of Time Garden na kami. Sobrang ganda rin. Iba rin ng relaxing din ng view dito.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for. But babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been it, so my heart was shattered